kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, and even some fun animal friends using these cool treasure chest toys. Do you see what's written on these treasure chests? Yeah, they all have different numbers on them. And it looks like every chest is a different color. Let's check it out. This treasure chest is red and has the number 1 on it. This treasure chest is green and has the number 2 on it. This treasure chest is blue and has the number 3 on it. This treasure chest is black and has the number 4 on it. This treasure chest is light blue and has the number 5 on it. This treasure chest is pink and has the number 6 on it. This treasure chest is orange and has the number 7 on it. This treasure chest is purple and has the number 8 on it. This treasure chest is brown and has the number 9 on it. And this treasure chest is gray and has the number 10 on it. But hey, all these treasure chests are locked. It looks like we're gonna need some keys to open them up. All right, let's try matching our treasure chests to their keys. Starting with, this key has the number 4 on it, and the number 4 is black. Do you see which treasure chest this key should open? Yeah, right here. Aw, it's a baby elephant. Can you stomp like an elephant? Let's move on to our next key. This key has the number 9 on it, and it's brown. Do you see which treasure chest this key should open? Yeah, this one back here. It's a baby owl. Can you hoo like an owl? This key has a number 1 on it, and it's red. Do you see which treasure chest this key should open? Should it open this one? No, that treasure chest is orange. Better try again. Yeah, it's this one way over on the left. It's a baby lion. Can you roar like a lion? All right, let's keep going. This key has the number 3 on it, and it's blue. Do you see which treasure chest this key should open? Yeah, this one right here in the front. It's a baby giraffe. Have you ever seen a giraffe's tongue? It's pretty funny looking. This key has a number 8 on it, and it's purple. Which treasure chest do you think this one will open? Yeah, here it is. It's a baby hippo. He's got his tongue sticking out. He looks pretty silly. Do you like to splash around in the water like a hippo? This key key has the number 7 on it, and it's orange. Do you see which treasure chest this key should open? Do you think it opens this one right here? No, this treasure chest is not orange. Better try again. Yeah, it's this one back here. It's a baby zebra. Wow, zebras sure have a lot of stripes. Do you have any shirts that you wear that have stripes? This key has the number 2 on it, and it's green. Can you tell me which treasure chest this green key should open? Yeah, it's this one right here. Aw, it's a baby tiger, and he looks pretty sleepy. Do you ever get really sleepy like a tiger? This key has the number 5 on it, and it's light blue. Which of these treasure chests do you think it'll open? Yeah, this one right here. It's a baby fox. Have you ever noticed how cute the ears are on a fox? They help them hear things that are really far away. All right, we're running out of treasure chests here. Let's finish up. This key has the number 10 on it, and it's gray. Which one of these 2 treasure chests do you think it'll open? Is it this one over here? No, that one's not quite right. Guess we better try again. Of course, it's right here. It's a baby monkey, and it looks like he's eating a banana. Do you like bananas? I think they're yummy. All right, only 1 key and treasure chest left, so let's match them up. It's a baby alligator. Did you know that alligators' eyes glow in the dark? All right, we did it. We got all of our animal friends out of their treasure chests. And we learned how to match colors and numbers. I had so much fun. Thanks for playing with me. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.